Hi guys, my name is Alex Lukyanov and today we will start with Magento tutorial. So the first thing what we're gonna do is log into admin panel. It takes time because we use developer mode for this Magento installation. And the admin panel looks completely different from Magento 1. We have menu at the left side of page, we have new user interface, but as you will see in future that all functions remain almost same. So we start with dashboard. On the dashboard we have lifetime sales, average order amount, last orders. If we will have last search terms and top search terms. It's pretty similar to what we used to have at Magento 1. At the right side of the page we have two charts. Orders, which you can sort by last 24 hours, last 7 days, current months, for whole year, or you can choose it by 2 years. And also we have amounts. It's same thing what we used to have at Magento 1. At the bottom of the page we have few small tabs where you can see your bestseller products, most viewed products, new customers, and overall customers with their number of orders. At this tab you will see your top customers and what they did buy, bought from you. So, and let's go at this tutorial. We will just quickly overview all menu items, and in the next ones we will check each of them with more details. So the first one is sales. Sales have orders, invoice, shipments, credit memos, billing agreements, and transactions. It's same what we used to have in Magento 1, and it's all what you need for your order processing. Products. Products looks different, kind of different. We have catalog, where we can add products, and categories. We can add or remove categories or change their properties. Customers. Here we can edit our customer information, and also we can see customers who is online right now. And new menu, marketing. So it's something new, but if you look at these items you will notice that they look similar to what we used to have in Magento 1, but these items was in different menu. So it's promotions, catalog price rules, cart price rules. It's in Magento 1 it used to be shopping cart discounts and catalog discounts. Communications. Here we can edit our email templates for transactional mails, newsletter templates, we can view newsletter client and newsletter subscribers. SEO and search. Here we can manage our URL rewrites and URL redirects. We can look at our search terms and we can build our sitemap. And also at the user context section we can look at all reviews for our products. Content. This is the content section is something what used to be CMS at the previous Magento installation version. Here we have elements. It's pages where we have all our CMS pages, blogs which have all our CMS blogs, widgets where we can manage widgets over the store. Design, we can select themes to use which will be applied to store. I believe it was in system design before. And schedule, here we can schedule our design to be applied for some date range. It used to be same in Magento 1 too at the system design menu. Reports. Report section have a bunch of reports. It's products and cart, search terms reports, abandoned cart reports, newsletter problem reports. I think it's might be a new one. Reviews. We can look at reviews by customers, at reviews reports by customers and by products. Sales reports, which includes orders report, tax reports, invoice reports, shipping reports, refunds, coupons, and PayPal settlement. We also have reports by customers. It's order total report, order count report, and new customer report. We have product view reports, best sellers products report, love stock product report, ordered product report, and downloads report. And also we have option to refresh our statistic. Usually it should be refreshed automatically by the cron task. I believe it's in midnight, but we can also do it manually if we don't have cron enabled or we need to update our results right now. The next menu item is stores. Stores combines in it some setting based on store. The first one is all stores, and here is menu where we have information about all our stores at Magento. It used to be a system stores at the Magento 1. Configuration, it's what we used to have at Magento 1 system configuration. Here will be a configuration of the store and custom extensions. Terms and conditions, this section will give you ability to add terms and conditions to your website. We used to have it Magento 1 too. Order status, this menu item will give you ability to add new order statuses or change existing ones. Also here we have our tax settings, like tax rules and tax zones and rates. We can change our currency rates and currency samples. Also we can manage our attribute sets and product attributes and rating items for our products. And we can add or edit customer groups for our stores. So it's all pretty similar to what we used to have in Magento 1, but it's just mixed in a different way. As the system menu item, we have data transfer option where we can import, export products, tax rates, and look at the import history. Also we have permissions where we can set different permissions, user roles, or log users for usage of Magento admin. We have section extensions where we have integrations. It might be something what looks new to you, but it's what we used to have at the web services, system web services menu at Magento 1. Here, if you have some extensions which use token authorization to Magento, here we can add API key, callback URL, and add user client for this extension. So it's more like web services. We have tools such as cache management, backups, index management, and we can also use web setup wizard. It's same thing what used to be a Magento Connect Manager and the Magento 1, but of course it looks different and it has different options. We will come back to it in the next tutorials to review it in more detail. We have other settings such as notifications. This is notifications which you get at the Magento admin. You can set custom variables and you can manage your Magento encryption key. And the last options of the menu, it's partners and extensions. And here it's we can set it's new options. I believe Magento will be promote here their platinum, gold, silver partners. And here you can do research and find your partners or who you want to work with. Also you can access Magento Marketplace at this section. I don't think it's ready yet, because from what I know, Magento will launch their marketplace in Q1. I think they already start to send invitation to some developers, and they're going to migrate to Magento, new Magento Marketplace at the Q2 of 2016. Also, we have at the top of our navigation bar, we have search, where we can search in the configuration. We have notifications, which will be added if there will be new Magento edition or critical patch, and we can manage our admin account. We can go to the customer view, or we can go to the account setting where we can add passwords, or add or change password. So I hope it was interesting, and the next tutorials we will go by each of menu item, review it with more detail. Thank you and have a good day.